Hi guys, well we've got a new flashback, so let's have a quick look, see what we've got. We have the bib thing. Oh, we've got the egg on the forehead again. The hat, the classic. We have yellow boots, gold boots. Wow, gold lovers are going to love them. And we have cloud boots. There's also a little bit of something else as well. Just give me a second. So, here we have black umbrella, gold umbrella. Wow, look at that. That does look good. And that one. Quick video guys, quick update. I'll catch you all next time. Bye bye.